Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the video effects on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to add video effects, just go to the lower bar and tap to the effects button next to the overlay, and here you can find the first button, the video effects. Here you can find the difference, for example trending effects. You can find opening and closing, lens, light effects, retro, glitch, decor and others. And if you want to use one, just click that, select that, and if you want to use that, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.